Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. Predicative verbs. Verbe predicative. A predicative verb, verb predicative, is a verb that behaves as a grammatical adjective. Let's take some examples. Eu citesc. Eu citesc. Eu trebuie să citesc. Eu trebuie să citesc. Eu aș citi. Eu aș citi. Citește. Citește. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Also, if you can spare $1, consider supporting our project on Patreon. Ciao, this is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.